Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mariana, and so today I am going to show you how I got this look. This is one of my favorite go-to looks, actually. Anytime I want a little spice it up kind of makeup look, I go to this one. I love the red, and I'm primarily using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which everybody and their mama loves that one. So even though Valentine's Day was yesterday, I know that many people are still celebrating this upcoming weekend, and if you don't have a partner, who gives a shit? Because you get to love yourself and do something very kind for yourself. So you go take yourself out to dinner. You go have a glass of champagne. Like heck, you don't need anybody to really go out and enjoy yourself. And remember, ladies, makeup is not meant to make yourself look prettier because you're already beautiful. Makeup is to accentuate your features. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click that button below that's like a bell symbol so that you don't miss any of my new videos that come out weekly. All right, so let's get right to the video. I like to start off with priming my face, and lately I've been using the IT number 50 serum. It's an anti-aging collagen veil primer. So I've been liking this one so far because I have more dry skin, and especially living here in Calgary, it's really dry here, very dry. So this is quite moisturizing, but it doesn't feel oily on the skin, which I've been loving a lot, and it smells really good. It smells like orange. It's like vitamin C on your face. Next, I like to prime my eyes, and I'm gonna use the MAC Paint Pot, and this one is Painterly. Now remember, ladies, this is a really dramatic eye, and because it is Valentine's Day, I figured, you know what, some ladies might want to really dress up their makeup more than how they usually do. So if you've ever wanted to learn how to do a cut crease or just have a more dramatic eye, I think this is a really nice look for a special occasion. As you could see, you probably see in photos that my eyebrows are like nicely shaped and thicker. Well, that's because I fill them in and I actually overdraw them so that I have more of a thicker brow. You can shape your eyebrows however way you please. So as you could see, I'm doing this really quick. I'm just gonna show you one eyebrow so that we can move on to the main showcase, which are the eyes. All right, we are ready for the eyes. So I am gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette. This is my holy grail palette, ladies. If you just wanna invest in one really good one, this is definitely the one that I would recommend. So we're gonna start with this base color right here. It's called Tempera. I always like to start off with some kind of base like this, just so that it evens out all of the coloring of my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Raw Sienna, which is this one right here, and blend this color on my crease line. And this will start that gradient effect. And just go back and forth. I'm using the Morphe M441 brush, which is a little dirty, but oh well, it doesn't matter because I cleaned it off as much as I could. I am gonna go in with Venetian Red. And I'm just gonna take this right here in the edge of my eye. And the trick to this is to stay in the edge and stay below your crease line. And then just blend it. Now I'm gonna do the cut crease. And so I love using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It looks like so, kind of looks like a hot mess, so ignore that part, but that's what it looks like. And I'm in the color neutralizer. I'm gonna go in with the MAC 242 brush. So I just take it and I trace, like so. I'm gonna use the eye shading brush by Sigma. I'm gonna take Golden Ochre right here. Then I'm gonna go back to my Morphe M433 brush, back with that Phoenician red. This look does take quite a bit of time because of the blending and just having to really keep going back and forth and blend the crease and blend the outer edge. So just be very, very patient, and it is going to look beautiful in the very end, I promise you. Next, I'm gonna use the Primavera, which is this beautiful champagne color right here, using an inner corner pencil brush, and I'm gonna use that for the middle portion of my lid because I do want to have that little bit of a shimmer, and I'm just gonna tap it. And I'm using this brush because I want it to be precise. I don't want to use a really big brush so that I can really line that crease right there too with it. And this gives it a little pop of like a little shine. I'm gonna use the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette for this one because there is a beautiful black color right there. And you could use any black that you have. This one is called Black Market. And what this does is it makes the crease line even more dramatic. But do you notice how I didn't put too much product on there? So it's a nice way to just blend that in to add a shadowed effect, yet, you know, the red is not taken away. And then I think this is the last time I'm gonna go back in with the red and blend it out. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna go back in with the Tempera just to have that little bit of a highlight. And then going back with that first brush that I used for blending out the crease and just blend everything out. I didn't put any product on there. I just go in and I like to blend everything out one more time. Oh, that feels so much better. So what I do is I go in with any black liner. I just move in an upward motion right where the line is. And this gives like this beautiful blended look while adding a bit more drama. I am going to go back with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I love this concealer. It is so, so, so good. I have repurchased it a few times and it is literally my go-to. And then I go back in with the Beauty Blender and just blend that in. We're gonna just smoke out that under eye using the red. Just gonna go back in. And I almost forgot to set my under eye too. Hello. So make sure, ladies, you set your under eye. I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it just started snowing really, really heavy outside. Oh my gosh, it's really snowy and cold. I'm gonna take a blending brush and just allow it to blend out, like so. And as always, I use my Bare Minerals. I don't like to use a liquid foundation unless I absolutely have to, which, you know, it's been such a long time since I've used liquid foundation, and I just find that this feels really nice on the skin because it's light and, you know, but yet the coverage is something you can control, and it just works for me. And especially when you have acne prone skin, which I do, but I'm actually on Accutane now. I don't know if you ladies have noticed, you know, my skin has definitely cleared up, but that is because I am on Accutane. So it's been about, I think, 2 months since I've been on it, and it has worked so, so, so good. I would say like after 3 weeks or so of using it, my acne cleared up. So I'm really, really happy with the results, and I didn't really have too many side effects. So if you'd like me to do a video on that, comment below and let me know, and I can share what my experience is with the Accutane. Do the contour. Contour up my nose right here. And I usually do a very, very light nose contour. I don't do anything too crazy, but just to complete this look, I like to just do a little bit. I love using the NARS Orgasm blush. It looks like so. And for this look, I think that this is a beautiful, beautiful color. Next is highlight, and I'm gonna go in with my Becca Champagne Pop and just go in and highlight my cheeks up here. I'm gonna line the upper lid and the lower lid, like so. Last step is the lips, and I am gonna go in with my Power Lips Fluid, which I'm obsessed with. You could probably tell from the previous videos, but it is an incredible lipstick, ladies. It's so good. It's long wearing. It's not drying on the lips, especially being a matte liquid lipstick. And this is in Persistence, and I think this is a perfect color when you have a dramatic eye. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. The trick to liquid lipsticks, ladies, is don't close your mouth. Like, allow it to dry, because otherwise it's gonna end up really patchy.